this is Valentina, and today I wanted to go over the tutorial how to crochet this is infinity scarf using V stitch. I made this one in circle. I added multiples of 3, so I had 99 chain 99, and also crochet 9 rows. So 9 rows, it's going to be 9 inches and wide, and the length is approximately 52 inches long. So again, for this you will need multiples of 3 to start. So let's get started. I'm using again for this one Thick and Quick yarn number 6. So to get started, you will have your hook under the yarn, twist it, and now just pull through that loop just like that. And again, multiples of 3, very easy pattern. Very easy for beginners. So 2, 5, 6. So to make the chain, you just wrap the yarn and pull through that loop. So I'm making smaller changes to go over the stitch, and when you have the number of stitches you would like, you would go through your chain and connect the beginning to the end. I'm making much smaller just to go over the stitch and show how to connect the row, and you would crochet as many stitches as you need. So okay, you connect like this. Again, I'll go over how to connect. So you just insert into the first stitch of your chain, wrap your yarn, pull through this and pull through that. Make sure it's not twisted, the chain is not twisted, so if it will be twisted you will not be able to untwist and your scarf will be twisted. So now I would go into this first chain, yarn over and pull through this and pull through that. So now I will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over and insert my hook into the same chain right here. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2, and this is going to be your V stitch. So now, so we'll skip 1, 2 and insert your hook into the third, yarn over, pull through, we're making double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and yarn over, pull through 2. Now chain 1 and we'll make same double crochet into the same chain. So yarn over, insert into the same chain, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2, and this is your V stitch. So again, we'll make double crochet. So the pattern is we skip 2, insert into the third, make double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet, and repeat. Skip 2 chains, insert into the third, make double crochet, so yarn over, pull through that loop. Now yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2, chain 1 and make another double crochet from the same chain. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2, yarn over again, skip 2 into the third, make double crochet, chain 1 make another double crochet from the same, and just repeat the entire row. Yarn over, skip 2 into the third, make double crochet, chain 1, yarn over into the same, double crochet, yarn over, skip 2 into the third, insert your hook and make double crochet, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now chain 1 and make another double crochet from the same chain, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Very simple. It goes very quickly, goes very fast. Again, double crochet, chain 1, yarn over, and from the same make another double crochet. Skip 2, make double crochet, chain 1 and make double crochet. Yarn over, skip 2 and make the again double crochet from the third chain, chain 1, yarn over, make double crochet from the same, yarn over. So now we'll skip again 2, insert into the third, and I'm finishing my row. Chain 1, again into the same. So now to connect, so you want to skip that one and insert into here, or you can count from this side 1 2 and insert into the third. So I want to insert under 2 strands, so I'll go under 1 and under another one. So yarn over now, pull through those 2 strands right here and pull through that one also. So this is how your first row is connected. So now I want to really start into the middle of this space, so I just go ahead, wrap the yarn, insert my hook, wrap the yarn, pull through and pull through this loop. So my starting point will be here. So all the rows will be the same. I just do like this, and now chain 1 2 and 3, and I will connect that row same as did my first one. We'll connect on the right here. Now let's make another double crochet. We'll insert now in that space, yarn over, pull through 2, and now yarn over again, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2, and we'll make all double crochets into that space between those 2 double crochet stitches. So yarn over, insert into that space, yarn over again, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2, and now chain 1 and we'll make another double crochet from that same space, just like that. The difference between the first one and row and the second one, we inserted those double crochet into the chain. Now we're just going into that space, so yarn over between those 2 double crochet stitches, make double crochet, chain 1 and make another double crochet from the same space, and just go around and repeat that same. So you look for that V and insert into that middle and make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and make another double crochet. Again, yarn over, go ahead and complete the row, chain 1, and again double crochet, and that creates that nice pattern for the scarf. Double crochet, chain 1, and another double crochet. Yarn over, insert here, make double crochet, chain 1, and another double crochet. So I go into the next one space, make double crochet, chain 1, and make double crochet, and just repeat the entire row. And you can make as wide as you like, as many rows as you like. Again, I crochet 9 rows, so 9 rows is 9 inches wide. Yarn over again. Very easy, not complicated. It's perfect for beginners. Okay, so now I completed my second row. Again, I go and look for those where I should insert. So I skip 1 and 2, and I want to insert under those 2 strands. So if you look closely, there is 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom. So I insert under this one, and I go ahead insert under the next one, just like that. Wrap the yarn and pull through those 2, and then pull through this one. And this is how the row is connected. And again, I do not want to start my stitch right here. I want to start in the middle, so I just go ahead, wrap the yarn as we already did for the second row. So I'll do the same for my third. So my starting point is from that space, and now I chain 3. All the rows will be the same as the second, and insert again into the same space right here and make double crochet. I just continue like this, all the rows, just like that. And this creates nice pattern for the scarf, and very easy to make it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.